Good morning, ladies and gentlemen in Nigeria. I want to use this opportunity this morning to talk about the death of this 12-year-old boy in Doe College, Lekki, Lagos. Yes. It is very, very unfortunate for you to send your child to school and the next thing you heard is that the child has been beaten to death because of cultism. Because they want to initiate him to cultism or whatever they claim they believe in, and the child refused and they have to torture him to death. It's very, very bad. I want to say it very loud and clear that the government of this country are not doing enough to stop this nonsense cultism in schools, in primary school, secondary school, and higher institutions, which is very, very bad. Now, this cultism we're talking about can be stopped in this country if the government actually want to take the necessary measures to stop it. Now, these children, the youth, let me tell you, they are only brainwashing you. They are lying to you. They are using you to achieve their own aim. There is no benefit, there is no profit in joining any court in schools or outside the schools. That is the truth of the matter. Anybody who's telling you that joining a court will make you to be famous, make you to be this, make you to have money, make you to be brilliant is a liar. They are deceiving you. They are deceiving you, pushing you to a point of destruction. That is what you all should understand. Now, how do we stop this madness cultism in schools? This madness cultism in school also lead to terrorism, lead to armed robberies, lead to different kind of criminality. Yes. Now, how do we stop it? If you take a tree that is growing in your farm, in your compound, in your forest, you cut off the branches, it grow another branches. What you need to do to kill off that tree permanently is to go to the root of the tree and uproot it from the root. Then the tree will die off. Now, these children that kill this 12-year boy, or every other member of any cultism that refuse to stop their evil activity should be apprehended. When they are apprehended, they trace that to the root. There are some wicked elements who are sponsoring them with money. Big guy, big people outside there. There are native doctors who are doing charm for them. There are alpha who are doing charm for them. There are some fake prophets who are also backing them, pray for them. These people should be apprehended, both the alpha, the native doctor, those prophets who are praying for them, those who are sponsoring them with money, and execute them publicly. That is the only way you put a hand to this madness called cultism in this country, Nigeria. Yes, we must take a drastic measure to stop this madness called cultism. Yes. Look at the country today. There is no day pass you will not hear that someone has been kidnapped or someone has been killed. How do all this all generate? They all generated from all this nonsense called cultism. From there, they teach children how to take drugs that are going to destroy their life, arm them with weapons to go and kill, rob, do different sort of things. This is madness. This is absolute madness. We must rise to the truth. The only thing that will save us, that deliver us from this evil that is going on in this country today is the truth. The truth. We must rise to the truth. Yes, that is it. Only the truth will set us free. That is what the book of Romans said. Know the truth, and the truth will set you free. Nothing but the truth. If you follow the truth. Now, this boy has been beaten to death. The school are trying to cover it up. The investigation is going up till now. We are not hearing any concrete information. The people that are involved, we don't hear that they have been apprehended or who sent them. Those who sent them should also be apprehended. Some news, as we are also hearing that the students, some of them have been flying out of the country. How is that possible? Their parents should be arrested. Let them provide them. That is the truth. If we not follow the truth in this country, it comes to a point that when you are going out in the morning, instead of you to hold a phone in your hand, you will look for a weapon and hold your hand because it will be for survival of the fittest. Yes. So we must pursue this madness and stop it now. Our tomorrow is now. Yes. Our tomorrow is now. The youth of this country, I am begging you people, say no to cultism. They are deceiving you. They use you and they dump you. That is what they are doing to you. They destroy your life. Cultism cannot give you money. They only lie to you. There are ways of creating wealth. You don't need to join any cultism. Go and ask Bill Gates. He will tell you that he don't join any cultism for him to make money. It is just knowing the truth. In my next video, I'm going to tell you how to go about creating wealth for yourself. It is only you that can make it happen to your life. Nobody else has there. Even prayer we are talking about, the great prayer that works is you that do it for yourself, not someone else doing it for you. That is the truth. I'm going to enlighten you more about the truth, how to live your life to the fullness, by believing, trusting, having faith in your God. In your God, underline that statement. This God we are talking about is a spirit being, and it's right within here that I'm speaking now. My God is here with me. Your God is there with you. So in my next video, I will tell you more how to create wealth. But for now, we are talking about issue of cultism. You, the youth of this country, must stop cultism. Stop it. Those who are pushing you to join, they are using you. They are lying to you. They force you to join. Yes, you should raise alarm. Tell the authorities that are necessary to be told. Let them understand what is going on in your environment. We must fight and stop this cultism. And parents should train their children well. The most important is that most of our parents never care about the whereabouts of their children. That is why they do whatever they like. No. When a child is grown up, you should let them understand that don't do this, do that. This is the best thing for you. If you do it like this, it will go wrong like this. But if you do it like this, it will go this way for you. So they will understand that joining cultism is not the best. Thank you for now.